Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log out of Bigo Live. If you'd like to log out of your Bigo Live account on your mobile device but you don't know how, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by tapping open your Bigo Live application from the app drawer. If you're not in yet, first sign in order to learn how. From the home page of Bigo Live, you'll be able to see all of the live broadcasts appearing on the display. You'll be in the popular category as soon as you land into your home page. In order to log out of your Bigo Live account, since you are done using Bigo Live for the day, tap on the human icon in the bottom right corner. This will open up your Me profile page. Scroll all the way down from this page and go to Settings and tap it on. Now under Settings at the very bottom, you'll be able to see a button that says Log Out. Tap on that. In the pop-up, confirm that you'd like to log out of your account by tapping on Sure. And there you are, logged out of your Bigo Live account, quick and easy. If you need to log back in again, you'll need to go ahead and type in your phone number and go through the phone verification process in order to log in. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.